Welcome to the Military Security Camera System presentation by Virtual Surveillance. This video will give you an inside look at our company and a handful of the amazing features that come with every one of our custom engineered video surveillance systems. Virtual Surveillance has been in business for over 10 years and has implemented numerous enterprise class surveillance solutions for each of the military branches and many government agencies. Some of our military clients include the U.S. Navy, the United States Department of State, the U.S. Marine Corps, the United States Department of Homeland Security, the U.S. Air Force, the United States Army, and many others. Each video security system is custom engineered by our expert security consultants to suit your needs at home or abroad to ensure the safety of your soldiers and maximize the security of your facility. Some of the benefits to implementing one of our turnkey surveillance solutions are: we're rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau, free lifetime US-based technical support, professional design, installation, and service, scalable top-of-the-line security systems, extended service and warranty plans, flexible payment plans, and 36 combined years of experience. Each of our military-grade cameras is night vision ready for monitoring your facility after hours. This view is from a camera that does not have infrared capabilities and is unable to see in the dark. When you use an infrared camera, you can see everything within the camera's field of view because the infrared LEDs flood the area with infrared light. This allows the camera to record in pitch black environments and is a must-have for after-hours surveillance and monitoring. Missing object detection allows you to designate a high-value object to monitor. The moment it is removed from its position, an alarm can be triggered or alerts sent. This feature is ideal for keeping an eye on valuable equipment and items. The camera is always watching, so you don't have to be. Like missing object detection, unattended object detection allows you to designate a zone in the camera's field of view and detect when an object is left in that area. For example, if a suspicious item appears, the software will highlight that object on the screen and can be configured to trigger an alarm or send an alert. This simple feature can help draw attention to suspicious packages, potential threats, even lost items to be returned to their owners. We understand that not everyone is a security systems expert, and the floor plan-based navigation feature in our NVR software was specifically designed to be used by people outside of the security industry. Your facility's floor plan is recreated and uploaded to the system where your cameras may be dragged and dropped onto the blueprint. To view these video feeds, it's as simple as scrolling across your floor plan and clicking on the camera. That video feed will pop up in a standalone player for your viewing convenience. We have seen this system implemented in numerous correctional facilities and police stations. One of the key requirements of security systems is monitoring who is entering and leaving your facility, and this feature is exceptionally useful to achieve that goal. The facial detection function in our NVR software catalogs every face captured on video into a thumbnail index and is time-stamped for later use. This gives you a clear image of each person that visits your location from the moment the face was detected to the moment that it leaves the camera's field of view. This level of documentation is unparalleled and is highly recommended for use at all of your entrances and exits. Object tracking is one of the many features that comes in our NVR software. This view is from our 4-megapixel fisheye camera, and when you de-wrap the fisheye view into the 180-degree tri-view, you have a much better view of the monitored area. The tracking feature automatically follows movement in the camera's field of view until the person or object comes to a stop and leaves the area. The software recognizes that there is movement and uses the electronic pan, tilt, and zoom feature of the fisheye camera to follow it across the field of view and highlight it in the top right view frame. Another fantastic camera view is the multi-grid view, which allows you to simultaneously monitor numerous points of interest with a single camera. This lets you have multiple static viewing frames at varying zoom levels so you don't miss any details. You can monitor entry into a sensitive area while watching soldiers on duty and keep a close eye on foot traffic from a camera the size of a smoke detector. We regularly integrate license plate recognition cameras, also known as LPR cameras, and the system shown is our standard LPR solution that has a 99% license plate recognition rate. As you'll see in the video, the difference between our 5-megapixel overview camera and our LPR camera is clear. The quality of the video produced by the LPR camera gives you a clear view of the license plate and in most cases will even allow you to see the name of the state as well. An LPR camera solution is a valuable addition to any security system and can be used to track visitors and personnel entering and leaving your facility, generate alarms for unauthorized personnel or soldiers arriving on site or leaving outside of approved hours, improve the efficiency of your logistic pipeline, activate other devices such as electric gates, alarms, and door locks, and monitor on-watch activity. LPR cameras are specifically engineered with special IR cut filters that see through ambient lighting and poor weather and produce the highest quality image possible to store capture license plates for later retrieval. The license plate captures are compiled in a very user-friendly interface that allows you to search by license plate number, traffic direction, time frame, or by a specific LPR camera. That data is then populated on this screen with the most recent capture at the top. The following features come standard in our advanced video analytics package. People counting counts the number of people or objects passing through a predetermined area. Crowd detection, the software detects when a crowd is formed and generates an alert. Scene change detection generates an alert when a camera's focus or field of view is altered. Advanced video stabilization compensates for inclement weather or shaky video in a mobile system and produces a clear, steady image. Advanced video quality enhancer filters and enhances object visibility in foggy or blurred environment caused by bad weather. That concludes our video demonstration. If you would like more information on what our surveillance solutions can do for you, please see our contact information in the description below to speak with one of our qualified security consultants. If you have found the information provided in this video helpful, please take a moment to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment area below. Thanks for watching.